I'm Robs and I'm a Nature Connection mentor at Kudatayo in Raglan. I come into the bush to be reminded what it means to be a human. Strip life back to the basics of food, water, warmth and shelter, and connection. The first four of these is what we need to survive, but it's connection which makes us thrive in this world. But I feel in our modern society it's getting harder and harder to feel connected. So I started this channel to hopefully offer support and inspiration to people looking to deepen their connection with the earth by sharing my own journey and experiences being mentored by nature. So I'm a couple of hours into my bush time now, which typically I'd spend 48 hours or so. Spiders web go around it. Best way to describe what I do when I'm in the bush is listening, which is different to hearing, because you can hear me talk but it doesn't mean you're listening to me. Listening's more embodied, more intentional, more open. And I don't mean listening just with my ears, my whole senses are listening. I'm barefoot right now so my feet can listen to the earth beneath them. But I'm trying not to listen to anything particular, because if I do, it affects my ability to hear things I'm not listening to, if that makes sense. So just being really still, really silent in a way with my own senses, really open to receive all the experience that I can right now. And the stakes are pretty high for doing that, because in a few hours time it's going to get dark and it's going to get cold, and I don't have any means to keep myself warm. I don't have a sleeping bag or a blanket or a lighter or any matches or even a flint strike. I don't have any food, I don't have any water, so I'm absolutely at the surrender to my relationship with the bush here. It's cooling down now, but found a fairly flat spot with some good resources around. Pretty close to the water, can hear the stream just below. So I think I'll settle here for the night and start getting set up. That's the first night out of the way. Wasn't too bad of temperature, but there's a swarm of mosquitoes all night, like heaps of them. I did this, and that seemed to help. You'll find I do a lot of this lying down, resting. It's because my night times are never like night times. A big comfy bed with a big duvet. They're always quite compromised, so when I'm not needing to get from one place to another, or go find water or food and build a shelter, if there's nothing I'm needing to do, then what I'm needing to do is to get deep rest. So just lie, be still. meditate and be grateful to be in this beautiful place. I'll switch to another ridge. It's a bit bigger. It'll take me a bit closer to the main body of water. The winds have switched now to northwest. It's clouded over. There's even a bit of drizzle. It's likely to get worse, I'd say. Which means spend a bit of time making a debris shelter. So the rain's back, feeling a bit set in now. Not much wind, not much going on. Pretty hungry, a bit tired, a bit cold, getting a bit wet. Not gonna lie, temptation to walk out is there, but I'll stick it through. Got my fire ready to go to heat up my water bottle. Before going to bed, might even go for a little hunt to see if there's a possum. Great to eat. Other than that, just sit tight. Just sit tight. The idea behind this type of fire, it's got all these layers of sticks and dirt to burn through, so the embers or the heat's not actually even going to make its way to the soil. And it also means, because I built it when everything was dry, that it should burn down pretty nicely without me needing to put wood on it. I put my fireboard and spindle on just because I'm not going to need them anymore. Other than that, it should just slowly burn its way down through the layers, by which time my water bottle's going to hang on there and that'll be boiling before it gets too low. So a good safe fire. In we go. Alright, well, it's pretty early. Hopefully I'm only getting wet out there. At least it can be dry and warm inside here. So I guess this is good night. Let's close the door. Yeah, there we go. It's morning on day 3, up pretty early. First light. Been walking for about an hour already. Yeah, heading back is breaking the rain. So I take my window, Super grateful for everything I've experienced and everything I've learned on this mission. Time to go home, put the kettle on. Thanks for watching.